Hello everyone, in this video I'm reviewing two Artisul tablets, the M0610 and the D16 Pro. Also, these tablets were provided to me by Artisul, but all facts and opinions are my own. The M0610 is compatible with computers and Android phones. The D16 Pro has a display that you draw on. Let's start with the M0160 Pro. Here we have the box. I am censoring the art a little on the box. The woman is showing a lot of her chest. Anyways, let's see what's inside. First we have some papers, and then the tablet. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Underneath the tablet we see many things. First we have the pen carrying case to carry the pen. Next we have the pen. It has two customizable buttons on it. The pen has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It also supports 60 degrees of tilt function and has a report rate of 30 pps, which I'm assuming is good. I've never paid attention to the PPS rate, but 300 is a bit higher than the other tablets I was looking at. The pen is also battery free and does not need to be charged. Yay! Next we have a cleaning cloth, a glove, and quick start guide. Lastly, we have the cable for plugging the tablet into the computer. And we also have these adapters for plugging the tablet into my phone. Oh, we also have the pen nibs and nib remover in this little baggie. Now let's start looking at the tablet. It's a very nice size. It has a 10 by 6.3 inch work area. On the side we have the 8 express keys and the dial. All of them are customizable, so we can set them to whatever shortcuts we want. One thing that is kind of cool is that when the tablet is powered, it has lights that turn on. By default, the lights will be on with 70% brightness in the color blue. You can also set what color you want the lights to be or have it change to many different colors. And you can also have the lights turned off. I personally really love the changing colors. So now that we've taken a look at everything, let's try out this tablet. So first I had to set up the tablet. I received this tablet before it was officially released. Because the tablet was not available to the public yet, the software for the tablet was not listed on the Artisul website. I was really confused by this at first, and I ended up downloading the software that said it was for all tablets, but that did not work. I contacted Artisul about this, and they were actually supposed to send me the software via email, but they forgot to do that. However, once they got the correct drivers to me, the tablet did start working, thankfully. Also, if you get this tablet, you won't have to deal with that issue, because you'll be able to download the drivers from the Artisul website. I only had this issue because I got the tablet before release. The express keys work very well. I really like the process for customizing the express keys. I click on a button and then I can pick from different drawing softwares like Clip Studio, Photoshop, and so on. And then I can select which tool I want the express key to be set to. I really like this because in Clip Studio, if I press P on the keyboard, it will take me to multiple different tools. But with the express key on the tablet set to the pen tool, it will always go to the pen tool instead of shuffling through the different tools that work with the letter P. So it's really nice. This tablet is also very responsive. It starts drawing right when I place the pen on the tablet. With the tablet I previously reviewed, the tablet wouldn't start drawing unless I applied a bit of pressure to the pen. But with this, the tablet picks up the pen right away. I don't need to apply any pressure. It starts drawing right when I set the pen on the tablet. It feels really nice to draw on, and it's really responsive. This tablet can also work with Android phones. I didn't have any issues with this. I plugged the tablet into my phone with the adapter and it worked right away. The Artisul M0610 Pro is listed for $70, and as I'm recording this audio, it is on sale for this price. I'll put it up on the screen because I can't remember it. I think this is a really good price for this tablet. I really like drawing on the M0160. Like I mentioned, it is super responsive and works really well. I like that it works with both my phone and my computer. It's also a really nice size to work on. Based on my experience, I recommend this tablet. I really enjoy drawing on it. But we are not done with this video yet. We still have to take a look at the D16 Pro. Here we have the box, and inside we have the tablet. It is huge, but we will talk more about that in a minute. After moving the tablet, we see that it comes with a stand. I am super happy it comes with a stand. Not all screen display tablets come with stands, and it kind of annoys me when they don't come with stands because to me, the stands are kind of essential and I don't like the thought of having to pay extra for them. So I'm really happy this one comes with a stand, and the stand is really nice and sturdy and it doesn't slide around. It's a really nice little stand. I like it. Next we have the pen carrying case, and under that we have this box with the power adapter inside. Now we have the pen. It's exactly the same as the pen for the M0610, so I won't go over the details again. Here we have the power cables, extra nibs, and nib remover. Lastly, we have this plastic bag. Inside we find a cleaning cloth, glove, and quick start guide. Now we'll take a look at the tablet, and man is the screen shiny! It does not have a matte finish on it like many drawing tablets with displays. It is very smooth with no texture at all. The screen is 15.6 inches across, so it's a very large screen. Like with the previous tablet, on the side we have the 8 express keys and dial. All of them are customizable. So now that we are done looking at this tablet, let's set it up. Like I mentioned before, I had the issue of the company forgetting to send me the correct drivers, but once I received the drivers, I got them installed and the D16 was functioning right away. One thing I want to talk about is the screen and the fact that it does not have any texture to it. I always prefer screens that have a texture to them when they are for drawing. It allows my hand to slide better and it helps the pen not feel so slippy slidey. I don't usually wear the gloves that come with tablets, but in this case I did wear the glove because my hand kept sticking to the display because it was just so smooth and glassy. I personally would prefer the screen to have a texture to it, but everyone has their own preferences. Some people may like the fact that the screen doesn't have a texture or matte finish to it. One thing that is really nice about the screen is how it displays. It's very crisp and the colors look really bright and vibrant. It feels really fancy to look at and you can tell it's a really nice high quality display. Also, like with the previous tablet, the express keys and dial work very nicely and are nice to customize. One thing I do want to mention is the alignment of the mouse cursor with the pen. When I first installed the software for the tablet, the mouse cursor was kind of far away from the tip of the pen. It wasn't super far, just enough to be kind of annoying, and I would kind of accidentally click on wrong things if they were towards the edges of the screen. I tried recalibrating the screen a few times trying to get the mouse cursor where I like it. After recalibrating the screen, I did get the mouse cursor to line up pretty nicely, but for some reason things kept feeling a little off when I was drawing. But at the same time, I think I started to overthink things a little bit because I was really paying attention to how the cursor was lining up with the pen. I was almost paying too much attention to the alignment and not just doing what I usually do. And it was a little different drawing on the D16 Pro because, like I mentioned, I was wearing the glove and I don't usually wear the glove while drawing. And I was also drawing on a not textured screen, so it might have just been something I need to get a little bit more used to. The D16 Pro is listed for $379 and as I'm recording this audio is currently listed for this price. I think this is a good price for this tablet. Here's my list of the pluses and minuses. Minus. The screen doesn't have a texture. Textured screens give a more paper-like feel and I don't feel like I'm just drawing on a glass screen. Also, because the screen doesn't have any kind of finish to it, my hand sticks to the screen while drawing, so I have to wear the glove. I'm not a super big fan of needing to wear the glove, but like I mentioned, this is all personal preference. Pluses. Large working area, has a great screen, it displays colors super vibrantly and everything looks really crisp. The pen is battery free and does not need to be charged, responds really well, comes with a really nice stand. Overall, I really like the D16 Pro. I enjoyed drawing on it. So those are my thoughts on the M0610 and the D16 Pro by Artisul. This was my first time trying tablets by Artisul and I was not disappointed. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it was helpful and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!